Rolling carts comparison. Rolling kitchen carts are a versatile solution for maximizing storage and workspace in kitchens, dining rooms, offices, or even outdoor settings. With their mobile design, they bring convenience and functionality to spaces where extra storage or portability is needed. To help consumers make informed decisions, we evaluated 5 rolling kitchen. List number. The simple houseware 3-tier rolling cart is a budget-friendly option designed for utility and compact spaces. It features a sturdy alloy steel construction and 3 metal baskets for organized storage. With dimensions of 12.5 inches length, 17 inches width, and 31.5 inches height, it's compact enough for tight spaces while still offering sufficient storage for smaller items. The cart's swivel casters include 2 lockable wheels for stability when stationary, and its lightweight design, 6.78 pounds, makes it highly portable. Performance-wise, this cart excels in basic storage needs, especially for lightweight items like office supplies, toiletries, or small kitchen tools. However, its 220-pound weight limit and smaller dimensions may not accommodate larger appliances or heavy-duty kitchen use. Assembly is straightforward, though users may find the basket slightly shallow for bulkier items. The cart's minimalistic design is ideal for those seeking a simple, no-frills utility cart for tight spaces. List new. The Amazon Basics 3-tier storage rack offers a blend of functionality and style with its chrome-plated steel frame and wood tabletop. With adjustable shelves and a total weight capacity of 175 pounds, this cart is versatile for kitchen, office, or garage use. Its dimensions of 14.96 inches dense times 20.87 inches width times 36.73 inches height provide ample space for a microwave, small fridge, or other appliances. The included hooks add extra utility for hanging utensils or towels. This cart performs well for medium-duty applications thanks to its sturdy build and adjustable shelving. The wood top adds a touch of elegance, making it suitable for dining rooms or modern kitchens. However, its 25.7-pound weight may make it slightly harder to maneuver compared to lighter models. Assembly is tool-free and straightforward, but the chrome finish may require. List 3. The Finhomi 3-tier rolling kitchen cart is a premium option designed for heavy-duty use. Constructed from industrial-strength steel and featuring a 20mm thick oak wood tabletop, this cart can support up to 500 pounds on the bottom shelf and 200 pounds on the top. Its dimensions of 18 inches D times 30 inches W times 33.4 make it spacious enough for larger kitchen appliances, while the slider shelf adds functionality for easy access to items. This cart is ideal for users needing a robust and durable kitchen island or utility cart. The anti-rust chrome finish ensures longevity, even in outdoor settings, while the 4-inch commercial-grade wheels provide smooth mobility. Assembly is straightforward, and the adjustable shelves offer customization for various storage needs. However, its premium price and heavier weight, 33.3 pounds, may deter budget-conscious buyers. List number 4. The WDT heavy-duty rolling utility cart is built for commercial-grade applications, boasting an impressive weight capacity of 990 pounds. Its industrial strength metal construction and anti-rust chrome finish make it suitable for kitchens, restaurants, or warehouses. The cart includes 3 shelving liners, a ventilated basket, and 6 hooks for added versatility. Measuring 35.63 inches D, x 18.1 inches Y, x 33.93 inches H, it provides ample space for large appliances and heavy items. This cart excels in durability and heavy-duty performance, making it ideal for professional settings or users with substantial storage needs. The 360-degree silent casters enhance mobility, while the adjustable shelves allow customization. However, its larger dimensions and weight, 26 pounds, may not be suitable for smaller spaces or casual home use. Assembly is quick and tool-free, but the industrial design may feel less refined compared to other models. List 5. The 3-Hyo rolling kitchen microwave cart is a versatile and affordable option for light-duty use. Featuring a combination of MDF wood and metal construction, it is scratch-resistant and waterproof. The cart includes 4 lockable wheels and 4 S-shaped hooks for hanging utensils. With dimensions of 15.75 inches deep by 23.62 inches wide by 30 inches high, it is compact and ideal for small kitchens, offices, or balconies. This cart is perfect for users seeking a stylish and functional addition to their space. While its weight capacity and overall sturdiness are lower compared to premium models, it performs well for lightweight applications like holding a microwave or coffee station. Assembly is simple, and the cart stands stable once built. However, its smaller size and MDF construction may not withstand heavy-duty use over time.